With the recent surge of Bitcoin above 100K, many started wondering, will it hit a new all-time high? Well, it's impossible to predict for certain, but we can surely try to analyze the news and charts to look for some hints. My name is Anna and this is the Eye of Crypto channel. Let's do this. A year ago, Bitcoin underwent its halving, an event that usually has a delayed but positive effect on the price. And this effect may not have been fully realized with the previous ATH in January. There might still be some juice left to push it even higher. Who knows? Another bullish signal comes from the gold market. Gold recently hit a new all-time high. And as we know, both gold and Bitcoin are often seen as safe haven assets. In fact, recently 1 Bitcoin became more expensive than 1 kilogram of gold. 1 kilo, just think about that. Both gold and Bitcoin have definitely brought profits to some over the past few months. On top of that, institutional interest continues to grow. Just last week, a fifth straight week of inflows into crypto investment products was reported, totaling at $785 million. That brings year-to-date inflows to a massive $7.5 billion, a clear sign that big money is still entering the space. And that's not all. New investors are coming in. JP Morgan, one of the largest banks in the US, is getting on board. CEO Jamie Dimon, long known as Bitcoin skeptic, confirmed that the bank will soon allow its clients to buy Bitcoin. Now, that would be a beautifully symbolic turn of events. Bitcoin hits a new ATH just as one of the biggest critics finally gives in. But will we actually see that new ATH? What does the chart say? Technically speaking, the weekly chart looks quite compelling. The week of May 12th to May 18th resulted in the highest weekly close ever, $106,479.25 according to Binance data. The all-time high, $109,312.19, is just 2.6% away from that mark. It's worth noting that the previous highest weekly close was from December 9th to 15th, 2024, and it stood at $104,181.49. Just to be clear, we're talking about closing price, not the absolute price peak. That matters because many traders focus not on intraday extremes but on weekly closes. In other words, while we haven't broken the ATH just yet, Bitcoin has already posted its highest ever weekly close. Many traders view that as a bullish signal. As for the all-time high of $109,312.19, it now serves as a key resistance level. If it gets broken, there is a good chance Bitcoin will skyrocket even higher. And looking at technical indicators on the weekly chart, there are definitely reasons for optimism. Right now, the price is well above the 50-week moving average, a classic signal of an uptrend. The RSI indicator is currently above 50 but below 70. In other words, we're not yet in the overbought territory, another argument in favor of further growth. As for support, the psychological level around 100,000 continues to hold. It was tested just last week. In fact, that was last week's low. Finally, the Fear and Greed Index is hovering above 71, the greed zone. That too often aligns with bullish momentum. All in all, there are plenty of signals pointing to further Bitcoin growth, from technical indicators to strong fundamentals. But as the crypto market has shown us time and again, it can be wildly volatile and unpredictable. For Bitcoin to climb higher, it will first need to break through that key resistance level. By the way, what do you think? Are there any other signals, bullish or bearish, that you spotted recently? Drop your thoughts in the comments and I'd love to read them. Just a quick reminder, neither this video nor any other content on my channel constitutes investment advice. All the information and analysis shared here is for educational and informational purposes only. And this was Anna, and thank you for watching.